Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you to adjust the brightness or dimness of your display here. So first you can double check this button here. Spinning this will change the brightness. When you have it flipped all the way, it'll turn these interior lights on as well. And when you're done, you can push it back just to lock this button in place. And something to double check too is there's sensors up here on the dashboard that help let the car know if there's daylight coming in or if it's darkness coming into the car. So make sure this is all cleaned off so that these sensors aren't covered up, because that could be causing you issues if buttons like this aren't helping. And that'll typically solve your problems if you can address those. If it's still not working properly, you might need to check for codes or errors through your computer system. Maybe there's a malfunction going on with how the sensors are working or something like that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.